This question belongs to operating system subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 Set 3. So the question states, consider a paging hardware with a TLB. Assume that entire page table and all the pages are in physical memory. Okay. So we have physical memory, or you can say RAM. So RAM has our all the page tables. Let us suppose PT as the page table and all the pages of the process P are in the RAM only. Now we are having a TLB. So TLB is translation leukocyte buffer. So what it has? It has page frame entry. Page frame entry. Now this is our CPU. CPU generates a logical address. So it has page number and page offset. Okay, perfect. Now it takes 10 milliseconds to search the TLB. So here it takes 10 milliseconds and 80 milliseconds to access the physical memory. Here 80 milliseconds. If the TLB hit ratio is 0.6, which means TLB hit is 0.6 and TLB miss is 0.4. The effective memory access time. Okay. So what happens? So the case is, first, let us suppose we generate a page number and page offset. Then we will search this page number in our TLB. Now 60% of the chances, what will happen? We will have TLB access. So what is TLB access rate? 10 milliseconds. Now it is a hit. It is a hit means we get the corresponding frame number. So we will go to that frame and access the data. So we just need 0.6 times TLB access time, just main memory access time. Main memory access time is 80 milliseconds. Now what can happen in the second case? In second case, we may get, here we got a hit. So we got here. Now let us suppose we got a miss. So we come here, 0.4 times, we got a miss. So TLB access is there. Now we got a miss. So what we need to do? We need to go to the page table. So we go to the page table. So physical, that main RAM access time is 80 milliseconds. Now we get the corresponding page frame entry. Now using that entry, we go to the corresponding frame. So again we need one access for the frame. So it comes out to be 0.6 into 10 plus 80 plus 0.4 into 10 plus 80 plus 80. So this is 54, this is 68. So it comes out to be 122 milliseconds. So answer to this question is 122 milliseconds.